welcome back to another video. I'm going down the road to get a feed for the dairy cow mix. So it's a little raining a little bit, but get a bale of hay and get back to you. Okay, so now I don't have the front spear on, so I got a back spear on, so it's bent, but we're getting a bale. Because I was coming from the other barn, so that's why I don't have the bucket on. I mean, that's why I have the bucket on. Okay, just pulling it away. We got a couple bales to clean up before we start tubing here again. We gotta shift. This cab needs a good cleaning. It's a lot. This tractor needs a good cleaning. Once it starts to get nice out, I'm gonna clean them. So yeah, I'm gonna go down the barn, show you getting the bale in the mixer. Okay, got the spear on. Okay guys, got the spear on. Now I'm gonna lock the spear. Gotta lock it. Shut this all off. Very muddy out. Has not stopped raining for like 2 days. So I'm gonna get this in the mixer. Okay, so now I got the bale over the mixer. Gonna work on cutting the strings. Okay, got them cut. So it's gonna be hard to pull them with one hand, so I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done. It's in the mixer. So yeah. Alright guys, so we got the bale mixing right there. I got it in. I got it backed over here to the corn bag. It's pretty raining out pretty good right now. So I'm gonna get a bucket of corn, put it in. Okay, we got corn and hay in. Just gotta go get grain, but I'm letting it mix a little bit. It's looking good. Gotta mix a lot more though. So I'm gonna pull the tractor around, let it mix out there when the grain is coming in. So yeah. Putting cornmeal in. We're gonna put the cornmeal in, then we got protein meal, or I guess it's lactating, is what it's called, out of that bin right there. The one that nothing's coming out of right now. Then we'll see what the weight is, and see if it's dry. But if it's wet enough, we're gonna leave it. But if it's a little dry, we gotta put a couple 100 pounds of water in. So I'll get back to you guys when that grain bin is going in. All right, guys. So now we got that grain bin in. They're started. Mix is starting to come mixed. It's definitely it's gonna get mixed a little bit longer to get that hay chopped up. So when we put the corn in, I got that one clip, but it was really hard to do with. If I had an extra arm, it'd be amazing, but I don't. I only got 2. So yeah, I couldn't really get much footage of that, and I forgot my GoPro, or my holder for the camera, so I'm just holding it. So it's kind of hard, but I figured it's a good time to get this video, a feeding mix video, because I don't know if I'm gonna get much, because we're gonna be planting corn soon, and there'll be plenty of videos of that. So we're gonna let this mix. 650 pounds of this. So yeah. I'm gonna let that mix and I'll get back to you when it's done. Okay everybody, now I'm in the tractor. My dad took the mixer because he's back so he can feed. He was working on a round baler, but now he's gonna feed so I can work on watering our weaned heifers that I showed feeding them grain in the last video. So go watch that if that was yesterday. So I'm making video right the day after last video, but so I gotta get that right there and put it in the bucket. Okay, we got this in the bucket. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna pull it up next to the barn here, next to the science cart that I gotta push up so we can put a hose in it. It's a barn. Okay, that's probably good. So that's our trimming table, my dad's trimming table right there. Alright, so I gotta get that chain that's right there. You gotta wrap it around the loader, just down there, and just so it doesn't flip over, it doesn't do anything to the loader, it doesn't make any marks. But it's gonna take a while to fill. I'm gonna start the barn cleaner once I put that in. Okay guys, so now we're in the barn. I'm gonna start the barn cleaner. Switch right here. So hey everybody. So now I'm up in the haymow above the barn, getting dry cow hay down. You can hear the rain. I don't know if you guys can, but I can hear the rain. So I gotta get 3 bales down because we have 2 dry cows that are just going dry. They're in the process of going dry. Then we have like 2 or 3 that are about to freshen that. So we gotta get hay down for them. But anyway, so we didn't put much hay up here this last summer. We put like from that pole across and down to fill, but that's what we did last summer because we didn't really do too many square bales. We did a lot. We did some round bales. We did, oh, there's a wet spot on that bale. We did round bales and we chopped, but that's what we did. Must be a leak in the roof. Ooh. So I'm gonna throw this down. I'm gonna throw the other 2 down. Get back to you when we're done, and then it'll almost be the end of the video. Okay, everybody, had to move the tractor ahead because barn cleaner piles up a little bit. So this should be the end of the video. I'll see how long it is when I edit it. I might add a little bit more, but thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.